how to add items to cart on Mercari. Hello guys, in this tutorial you would learn how you can add items to cart on Mercari. The first step is to log in into a Mercari account, and then on the home page you can see a number of items that can be gotten, beautiful items. So if you have the item that you want to get and you want to add in mind, you can just go to the top part of the screen, click on the search box, and then type out the name of the item. But if you don't and you just want to like get something very good, maybe a gift or whatever, just go ahead and locate the item and then click on the item that you would like to get. So for me, I'll be selecting this particular shoe here as the item that I would like to get. So after selecting the item, you will be taken to the items page where you'd see details about the item. All right, so you can just scroll down or check out different sites, different pictures of the item to see if it's something that you would like to get. So if you're satisfied by it, just scroll down, and then by scrolling down you can see two buttons, two icons: add to cart, make offer, buy now. So since you're trying to add this item to cart, just go ahead and click on add to cart, and then you wait for it to load, and then just like that the item would be added to cart. As you can see, item added to cart. So for you to add as many items, you can just go ahead and try this for as many items as you would like to. So this is it. All right. So the home page, if I want to add, for example, this toy, I can just click on it again, and then I'll be taken to the products page, and on this page scroll down and add to cart, and just like that this item will be added to cart as well. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.